they rejected us. Basically, they don't want to do the appraisal on the car due to Good morning, guys. So for today's video, we are going to take our wrecked 2018 Lamborghini Performante to Carmax, see what they appraise it at, and see if they actually give us a good deal for it. So let's get to it. Let's get on the road, test drive the Performante for a little bit, see how it does on the freeway, all this good stuff. So you ready? Let's go. Let's do it. Road.
Hopefully we're gonna trade it in for a special edition Civic.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to aim for that, the special edition EX.
We have to get the one with the Carmax sticker.
Yeah.
Only with the Carmax sticker.
Yeah, it has to be, have a Carmax sticker, so. So we still got little things left to do to this car. You can see the ALA system. It keeps turning on. The ALA system is pretty much the front lip. It's the, what is it, the aerodynamic system?
Yeah, basically just...
So since we changed the front bumper, the lip, everything, so the system has to be recalibrated. So we actually have an appointment to Lamborghini dealership, and they're actually going to recalibrate the ALA system. And also one more thing is the shield on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So we ordered the wrong one. We ordered it from a Performante Coupe. So from a Performante Spider, it's actually different. We didn't know. It's weird how it's different, but it is. So we actually have to put that on the car still. And what else we got left?
That's basically about it. That's basically the main things.
This thing is crazy.
Oh yeah.
The exhaust, the way it shoots back, it's crazy. I'm like sketched out driving this thing. Hopefully we don't get pulled over or anything. We're behaving on the freeway right now, so going the speed limit. We're not gonna go.
You're granny driving, my guy.
Huh?
You're granny driving.
Yeah, I'm following the traffic flow, so keeping my distance from other cars.
Good man, good man.
Yeah.
All right.
So we just took the car out 10 minutes ago, and we're already low in gas, so we gotta stop by and get some gas. Look how it says instead of it, see it? Benzene.
It's Italian for you, my guy.
Yeah, Italian. Also, when the gas light comes on, it says please refuel. Like, when you're spending so much money on a car, the car better come with manners, you know? Please refuel, that's pretty funny.
I wish my Prius came with warning lights.
Yeah. Your Prius only shows you're out of gas, it's really not working. It's already on the side.
I'll only find out until I'm on the side of the road.
Yeah. Hopefully that'll lower the price because of the whole shield and the ALA system. Well, they're probably going to do it. Probably. Yeah. So, but we'll see approximately what they will give us. I will show you the car.
Right in the front. Right there.
So, Carmax, right?
Yeah,
Or
Carmax.
They rejected us. Basically, they don't want to do the appraisal on our car due to us having a dealer plate on the car. You can have a dealer plate, you can have a paper plate on the car. the car actually has to be fully registered.
And California DMV.
All this stuff, so that actually sucks. So
yeah.
We couldn't get appraisal in Carmax, so right now we're just looking at something, I don't know, to maybe trade. I don't know.
Trade for that.
I like this color right here. It's like so. How do I look? It's so bright.
You're definitely gonna stand out. It's brighter than the blue, actually.
Yeah, it's brighter than where is our car? I don't know. It's like RC.
Is it that one right there? No, it's not.
Yeah. So. Yeah, well that sucks. We can't get appraisal for our Lamborghini.
Yeah. There are some pretty sick cars there. There's 2 GT350 Shelbys.
I really want to. I've been telling you that I really want to rebuild a Shelby for so long already.
We should do it, my guy.
I just love
honestly,
the way
dude, if we get a good deal on it, we might even pick up a GT350 or a GT500.
It's either that or I want to pick up a Demon.
Yeah.
Those things sound.
Oh look, there's a Velosaur Turbo. One of those spoolie things. First one. This thing is pretty clean, black on black.
Is it stick? Yeah. Oh, these comes with the Recaro seats.
41K.
This one comes with the Recaro seats. That's sick.
Then there's the blue one over there.
Got some berries growing.
Look, some blueberries.
Do you think they're edible?
Probably try them. This one's clean.
This was such a sick color.
Oh yeah.
It's like a blue, but it's like a navy blue, right?
Yeah. It's not a navy blue. It's like a mix between light blue and like a navy blue. It's weird.
Light blue and a red.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Yeah.
Dude, but this thing is sick. So we're gonna trade our Lamborghini for the 2 Shelbys. Possibly even a Z06.
Possibly 2?
2 Z06? I like that.
2 Z06?
Look at that A6 back there.
Well, their Shelby is appraised at what, 40,000?
40,000. That's
crazy.
cheap.
Yeah. Well, that's not cheap. Well, that's cheaper.
That's pretty cheap for a GT350 Shelby, my guy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the M5.
Yeah.
This M5. This is the F10. Yeah, it's the F10. This thing is sick. That's an SL Carbon Edition. It's pretty sick. Good old memories, huh?
We need to put this kind of sticker on the car. It's sick.
We should get one. Just take it off.
Look at that. It's an R7. There's an M6. There's a C63. There's an E63. Some German love here.
Nice.
Yeah, that's sick.
We're giving her away. Fonzie.
46,900.
We're gonna be rich.
Alright guys, so we are now $168,000 in debt. Kidding.
Just kidding.
They did not let us appraise this car because we have a license plate that's a dealer plate, and also you can't deal with the paper plate. We tried that, and also they do not let us record inside as well. I guess it's the Carmax policy or whatever. So this day did not go as planned, and we did not get appraisal. So yeah, Carmax or Carfax? Carmax. Yeah, they basically completely rejected us. Yeah, broke my heart. All right. So we saw some oranges, so we gotta pop a U and go buy some oranges right now. This thing looks so good. Look at it. Zoom in. Oh yeah.
Got our oranges. Whoa.
Beautiful car, man.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. We love it. Fancy. Tastes good.
It's a police too. Yeah. We were not speeding.
We were not doing anything crazy. Ossifer, we promised we weren't doing anything. We're just getting oranges.
Alright guys, so our day did not turn out good. Like we mentioned, Carmax rejected us. They did not want to give us a price, none of this stuff. So yeah, we're back to pretty much to where we
Square one,
where we began. So hope you guys like this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, comment, like, share, and we'll just catch you guys on the way to LA. We're gonna actually take this car to LA to get the ALA system recalibrated, all this good stuff. So we'll probably shoot a little clip on it, right?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. We'll catch you guys.
Peace.
Catch you guys.